Welcome back, everyone. This is Thomas Triple T Ty with another new bullish crypto analysis. Before we dig in and take a look at Fantom or FTM's weekly chart, uh, remember this is for edutainment only and not to be considered as financial advice. Additionally, when you feel value has been added, feel free to smash the like, ring my bell, hit subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section and share your thoughts. Not much news to report about Fantom, so we'll dive right into the chart. And for those of you who saw the earlier video on Bitcoin, my apologies. I forgot to switch the screen share and you guys could not see the chart, so my apologies. But you can go to my Twitter account and there will be copies of all the charts I talked about. So that could be a reference for you. Let's dig in and I'll make sure to share the charts this time. All right, here we go. It's going to be a short one. So we have Fantom. This is a trading view, weekly time frame. Fantom printed the second bullish candle here, and it's also ascending. It touched the descending triangle resistance right here, and it's moving forward, but it's still within this range, this resistance line here at $1.50, and the support here, this dash green line here at roughly $1.05. So it's going to range in there. It's also still below this one right here. It's called the bull market support band, this grayish ribbon here, and the bottom of the Bollinger Band. Here's the top of the Bollinger Band. Here's the bottom. Here's the ribbon. It's right in between the ribbon and the bottom of the Bollinger Band. You can see volume here for the fourth week in a row. Volume is diminishing, at least on Bitfinex. So down below, we have on the KDJ line, we have the J line continue to rise after it bottom out here. And this is the bottom of like this whole range. So it is rising up. And it went from negative 6.67 to 5.39. I gave that a bull. And down below on the white MACD line, still diving below the red signal line here, printing the 7th bearish histogram bar, but it's lighter. That just shows that the distance between the white line and the red line is closing in, and eventually it'll flip. The white line will flip up above the red signal line. I gave that a bear because this is bearish, but it's somewhat bullish trending eventually. The red RSI line here, it's trending up slightly again for the second week in a row. It went from 44.55 to 45.89, still below the midpoint or mid level of 50. I gave that a bull because it's rising. The aqua cumulative volume delta line here also went up for the second week in a row. It went from 7.614 million to 8.839 million. I gave that a bull. The white momentum indicator or MOM dropped when it was flipping up, and then it flipped back down. So momentum is dropping. And it went from negative 1.143 to negative 1959. And now it's the lowest point since August 2021. This was previously the lowest point, and now this is even lower. So momentum is decreasing. If you look at the average here in the last couple months, momentum's it's still decreasing. So overall, I give this chart a bull and two crabs. I think it's going to continue to rise up slightly, breaking through this resistance line, somewhat sideways. It might retest this resistance red line here at 150. I'll probably wick up there and then drop back down and crab sideways. Let's take a look at TVL. Let me get that up here for you. Total value locked and see what it looks like. So here's total value locked. Fantom just above this yellow line here. 7-day change, negative 5.59. Unfortunately, it's dropping. 1 month change also dropping, negative 13.47. Total TVL is 6.36 billion, and the MCAP slash TVL ratio is at 0.53847, and that got worse than the previous week. Let's close that out. Let's take a look at, and if you didn't see the last video, these are the price entries right here. FOMO would be $1.17 if you want to FOMO in. The 105 would be a really good sweet spot right here for you. 60 cents is another entry level. 25 cents is another one for you. I would do like 20% at the FOMO level of 117, 50% at the sweet spot of 105, 60 cents I would do 20%, and 10% in at 25 cents. If those levels are not reached, you still have money set aside for future crashes. That's the key part there. A lot of people run out of money. Let's take a look at the heat map. Here's the heat map for Fantom, and this is through Binance. You see more sell walls up above. Here's the current price here at 135. Up above, you have a giant sell wall at 185, another one at 160, $1.60, a bigger one at $1.50, smaller one at 145. Down below, we got some shades here of buy walls, but really the big one's at 105. That's why that was one of the recommendation I gave you as an entry point. And $1 here, a smaller buy wall here. Okay, let's see. We don't. High Block Capital does not have liquidation levels for Fantom. So when they do, I'll be able to share that for you. In the meantime, that's about it. Just really simple update. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to smash the like, ring my bell, hit subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section. And this is my last video for tonight. I'm going to go spend some time with my girlfriend, and I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Tomorrow, I believe, is Solana. Saturday, Solana Saturday? Something like that. Thanks. See you later. Peace.